Kia ora. You're in sunny Wellington on a beautiful Wellington day in Trentham, which is in Upper Hutt. This is the Trentham to Upper Hutt digital technology project that we've been undertaking between KiwiRail and Downer. Predominantly this has all been done so that KiwiRail can increase its capacity going through. The electrification that's over the top of us have been put in as well to allow trains to run in both directions at peak time.
Machine avoidance is an innovation that includes laser scanning, 3D modelling and machine control. We put a laser scanner down the line and capture a 3D point cloud. We then use that to create 3D models that are avoidance models around the elements on the project that we don't want to get close to. And then we load those 3D models up onto machines that are location aware through GPS technology, and those machines then automatically shut down whenever they slew or track into that 3D model. And that has enabled the project to be significantly more productive.
So this is my second rotation within the graduate program, but it's my first experience with 3D modelling. So this has been a really cool project where I've been able to learn firsthand the impact that digital engineering has on the safety, the planning and the productivity. It's also been really cool seeing almost in real time when we have to do little tweaks to the design and construction model to see those happen on site.
When you take a step back and you look at it, being able to see a 3D design on the computer 18 months ago to what we've built now, and seeing how the physical world has mirrored that digital model way back when, I think that's something that the whole team can be proud of, not just myself. I think it's a really fantastic testament to the way that we've built that relationship with KiwiRail and the digital guys at Oricon.
Yeah, so it was really good having Downer on board early. We got to meet the team, we got to work through a lot of the construction challenges whilst they were still in design, so we were able to iron out a lot of the potential issues early on.
So one of the reasons I wanted to get into construction was because I wanted to deliver infrastructure to communities. So when I come to work every day and I see the construction going on here, I'm really proud of, hey, I helped build that.
And I'm really proud of the team here. They've delivered an outstanding job. For the next 50 years this station will be here. So really good work, team.
I think that's what I'm most proud of, is that this project has been a catalyst for so many innovations, and so many people are interested in what we're doing down on this project. It may seem, looking here like in the camera, it may seem like a simple kind of rail project, but when you uncover the background, you realise that there's a bit going on.
Look, it's been a really positive experience. I've really enjoyed working with Downer on this, and I think the collaboration and the partnership that's been evident not just in the digital delivery but right across the project has been a pleasure to be part of. I look at where we've gotten to at the end of this project and where we began, and without the partnership and just the right behaviours and the right attitudes from the Downer team, we wouldn't be walking away from this project with the innovations that we have.